Welcome back. The house is now looking full. We have Anuj back with us. Anuj, I can't believe how much I miss you. Okay, tell us, what do you have for us for the day?
You know, Lara, 2 weeks back, I was highlighting the fact that the FIs are at record shorts and retail is at record long. And normally retail wins this battle 3 times it's won, and now it's 4th time it's done that. So this morning, actually, I don't like this stat that FIs are now at 59% long versus 13% at start of October. More shorts in the system means bigger the rally. More longs in the system means the market's vulnerable to any kind of accident. And we are sitting on 1,000-point rally in October already. And there's, of course, as I said, retail has trumped over FIs for 4th time. There's this RBI meet after FOMC. So I think there's a lot of events lined up over the next few days. The US midterm election on November 8, I think, is going to be very important. You've already seen a bit of a pre-election play in that. So my sense is that if you're a Nifty trader, you've had a big rally. Now the risk reward perhaps is not in your favor. You want to just perhaps stay on the sideline for a bit. If you're an aggressive trader, maybe even explore just for the near term a short trade with 17,850 a stop. I mean, that may work given that SGX Nifty for last 2 or 3 days has been trapping, everyone. Completely illogical moves happening over there. I think a sharp dip, if you get somewhere around 17,500, that's the base now for the market. That's where your risk reward will once again become favorable. And on the Bank Nifty, by the way, that's been the market leading index, but it's facing congestion around its all-time high. It's just about 400, 500 points off its all-time high. Most bank numbers have beaten the estimates quite handsomely, so that's something which might help. And the bigger move though may happen post MPC, because you would still want to see what the MPC is saying and then perhaps make a move over there. And just one last point, I think Uday Kotak had also tweeted, I think the market, especially in the US, has become very vulnerable to all these accidents. Meta fell 25% yesterday, and these kind of moves sometimes make you a bit cautious just about the near-term moves.
Okay, I take your point, Anuj, about the fact that there is an FOMC meeting. It could indicate something about their December thinking, and you have the midterm, post-midterm election behavior in the US. But one thing I can assure you, the November 3rd meeting is a non-event. It's only a report to RBI. We shouldn't angst. I mean, that's one angst less, but I take on board the other concerns.
And the other point, Anuj, that Anuj made with regard